Today we will make BIF401 assignment. So what's the assignment? So this is the assignment. Question number 1 is theoretical and question number 2 is practical. So we are going to deal with the question number 2. So we have to select candidate gene, then we have to find these 4 things. Okay. Select the sequence of candidate gene. So first of all we have to find what is candidate gene. Candidate gene. Candidate gene is a gene or a variation on a gene that may relate to construct of interest given to the role of the gene in the distinct biological pathway furnished from the previous studies. That's the brief introduction of candidate gene. Well, this picture will highlight main things. What is the difference between candidate gene and GWAS? What is GWAS? It's actually genome-wide association study. Find out. So, what's the difference? Candidate gene have a smaller number of variants selected as retrieval based on hypotheses supplementary in line have confirmed high power. These are uh, legal, or you can say they are more prominent than the other one. So we have this like gene that have quite more publications or have less variations in them. So let's find out. So we found we were supposed to found such genes which are family genes in human, or you may take any other species. So, South ESL. I found some genes references. The brain structure. These are the GWS genes. I need to find the candidate genes. Selected genetic association with the extrahepatic OA derived from candidate gene studies. Okay, these are for my. So let's find out that GDF5 is a gene. I will go to the NCBI website and put my gene name on that, and I need to sequence, so I will select the nucleotide and search. Hopefully I will get. I have find Homo sapien isolate BDF 5, so I will go to the partial codon, that's on the exon 2, partial CDS gene, 875.